Alright mate, Paul here, just a quick video. And this is your Emerald iron machine. Obviously you've seen I've stripped it right back. The bare bones cleaned off the frame. I told you that somebody had taken too much off of this front coil here. So what I done was I took a slight bit off the coil core in the rear just to even it up. Obviously cut some springs, as I say, yoked it, shimmed it. Not a bad wee machine actually. 5 volts, set as a liner, long throw in it. A wee bit of give it 5. Yeah, I'll go up to 5.5. 5.5, obviously, of course, that increases. We'll go up to 6. Obviously, when you run it loaded, you'll be running from 6 volts upwards. But it's just to show you you've got a tuning bandwidth of at least a volt. Okay. Any problems, you let me know.